Hey everybody, it's Scarlet Pete in Self-Sufficiency Land here, and you're not going to believe what we've got on the field. We're cutting the hay and Joe's never seen this many storks. There's over 30 storks in the field in the middle over there. So what we're going to do is get in the tractor and video from the tractor because they're not scared of the tractor, but they will fly off if I go. So he's just starting the tractor up now. And we'll go join him in the tractor. There's hundreds of them. Well, not quite hundreds, but there are a lot. It's like they're just being herded by the tractor, look. Here they come. So I hope you enjoyed that little video there of seeing the storks in the lucerne. Oh, here's another few of them coming back down, look. Please like, subscribe and share. Take care everybody, bye!